So here again, Paul Pierce is cooking again. Let's see what else he has to say.
This is what women do. This is
Lord.
this is 100%. Like you get with your husband who probably messed around, right? And it happens, you know, or the woman messed around. Let's say the husband messed around.
Okay.
Now y'all divorced. Then, now that you single, you go mess with another dude who won't commit to you, who doing all that other shit that you could have still been doing with your husband. And you deal with him. Make it make sense. Do it make sense? That don't make sense, right?
Right. But I also
Now you go ahead with him, you sexing him down, but he ain't committing to you. When you got a dude who committed to you, got a whole house, kids and everything, but you want to deal with his shit. Make it make sense. Now you want him back. Does it make sense what I'm saying now?
I get what you're saying. I
now,
see
so
what you're
now
saying.
who why would I want to get back with you? Right? Why would I want to get back with you? We could have worked this out, but you want to go, this is what you really wanted. You wanted to do that, but I was the one that was willing to deal with you, and hopefully you could deal with me, because like maybe I did mess up, but I wasn't leaving you. You left me. But now you get into a situation to where you dealing with that with another nigga that don't commit to you. Make that make sense.
Well, I would say that sometimes there's a lot.
Right.
It's crazy, huh?
You ain't got nothing to say, I don't think. I think I done quieted a lot of damn shit down.
No.
Paul Pierce talking this shit. Man, but this ain't nothing new, man. We know this shit. Like women will break up a whole relationship just to deal with the same shit or worse from a different dude. Like these women have no clue what they want. They break up whole relationships that are good. I was watching a video recently of Anton Daniels. You know, he was reacting to a video, and this woman was in a fantastic relationship, a good man. He works, he takes care of the kids, he's caring. And then she's sitting there talking about, I've been married for 10 years. And, I think I told my husband early in the year that we need to have a divorce. And so it's hard. It's the same message, but we keep seeing this stuff pop up all the time. We're going to review the video in just a second, and you guys hit the like button. But these women are loyal to nobody but their selves and their emotions, blowing up their whole relationships when nothing's wrong, just to deal with some BS. It's like they're addicted to the toxicity. It's like men literally have to save women from themselves, because when women go unchecked, they destroy themselves and everything around them. And so this is why we have gotten to a space in society where feminism is destroying the society. It's watering everything down, the culture down, relationships down. And so it's hard to take these women seriously because they don't even take themselves seriously. They make the most illogical decisions known to man. Now, let's go back and break this down bit by bit, because I want to make the video play, and then we'll react to it as he talks.
This is what women do. This is 100%. Like you get with your husband who probably messed around, right?
And hell, most of the problems that they do have are minor problems in the relationship or in the marriage. It's very minor problems, but she will break her family over something, the 10, 15, 20% that she does not get. Make it make sense. And then she gonna come back to you after she realizes that she messed up. But by then, you don't want her ass because you know she's unloyal.
And it happens, or the woman messed around. Let's say the husband messed around.
Okay.
Now Y'all divorced. Then, now that you single, you go mess with another dude who won't commit to you, who doing all that other shit.
Exactly. Like they think they get with the side dude because they was already cheating in the marriage. They was already lining up the replacement. They was already lining up the replacement in the relationship. That's why whenever you guys break up, you're shocked that she's with somebody else within the next 2 weeks, already seeing him, and she's seeing the end of the relationship. And so she'll end the relationship and go be with him thinking that he is going to, he has that little 15 to 20% that she's looking for, but she don't realize that he just saying everything she wants to hear so he can hit them draws. And after he hit them draws, he done because he done want her for a relationship, and then she gonna realize like, damn, I got used. He lied to me. He talking to me and three other girls. He busting all three of y'all down at the same time. And you messed up a whole relationship. You had a house. I was watching the John Delaney, Coach Greg Adams was doing a thing on John Delaney. And this woman, man, bro, this is just the mindset of women. This woman had a husband and she divorced him because he has dementia and he's on disability. And she's trying to get him to pay child support alimony out of his retirement. This is a guy that she broke the relationship up and she still wants his retirement money. And this is a guy that can't even think clearly. And you guys are still taking these women seriously. It's bro. You, my friend, if you do not take this information seriously, you are going to end up financially hurt, emotionally hurt. Guys, it's a cold world in dating right now. Cold world. You can't trust nothing, nobody, everybody lying. We think that the whole society is just, we can't trust the politicians. No, you can't trust nobody, homie. Dating, you can't trust nobody. You can't trust nobody, bro. This is how bad society has deteriorated. And it's not only spreading into relationships, it's spreading into politics, it's spreading into law enforcement, it's spreading into everything.
That you could have still been doing with your husband. And you deal with him. Make it make sense. Do it make sense? That don't make sense, right?
Yeah, she knows she probably the problem. She probably the problem. She know this shit. She probably done passed up on the dude that she supposed to be with a long time too. And so this is why you don't say these women, bro. Let them learn the hard way. It is what it is, bro.
Right. But I also
Now
feel,
you go ahead with him, you sexing him down, but he ain't committing to you. When you got a dude who committed to you, got a whole house, kids and everything, but you want to deal with his shit. Make it make sense. Now you want him back. Does it make sense?
Because the grass wasn't greener. She thought it was greener, but it ain't greener. And so women gotta pick their struggle. Either you're gonna get with the good dude and the shit, some of the shit gonna be boring, but you're gonna get taken care of, or you want the chaotic, toxic shit and it's unstable and you never not gonna know what tomorrow holds, but it's exciting. They're gonna have to pick a struggle. Because as they get older and they're looking for, because like all this out here, when you guys are, people are in relationships right now, if you guys break up your relationship, if you break up your marriage right now, there's only a few things out here for you. If you're a man with money, you're going to get used and abused and lied to and try to get swindled into a relationship because these women are trying to get your resources because they're broke as hell. And if you're a woman, if you're a single mother or whatnot, or even if you're attractive or whatnot, if you jump out here and break up your relationship, there's nothing but dick out here. That's it. No commitment. Salami and no commitment. And hell, if you frivolous enough, your ass might catch something.
That's what I'm saying now.
I get what you're saying. I
Now,
see
so
what you're
now
saying.
who why would I want to get back with you? Right? Why would I want to get back with you? We could have worked this out, but you want to go. This is what you really wanted. You wanted to do that, but I was the one that was willing to deal with you. And
back because you realized the shit wasn't what it was. Like if the shit would have worked, she wouldn't have came back. She would have stuck over there. But this is what we have to deal with. And Paul Pierce, even though some other people might say the same talking points, Paul Pierce saying it comes out of the mouth. People listen to it a lot more. And plus, this is everybody starting to see the writing on the wall. But that's my video. I don't want to make this video go too long. I appreciate you guys coming here, staying to the end. Excuse me. You guys have a good day, good week, and I will see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.